Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling iCloud photos on each device so syncing can begin immediately. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi and plug both phone and Mac into power. This prevents pauses during uploads. Make sure iCloud storage has room because full accounts queue items and slow everything down. Once done, open the Photos app and let it scan. You will see uploads start. This immediate action triggers background processing and primes iCloud to prioritize your library. Next, optimize settings to favor upload speed. On iPhone, temporarily turn off Optimize iPhone storage so originals upload quickly. On Mac, set photos to download originals for the session. Pause Time Machine or other backup tasks and stop large downloads on your router. Bandwidth matters. If possible, plug your Mac into Ethernet and avoid Wi-Fi congestion. These steps reduce throttling and let iCloud allocate more resources to your photo library. Make sure to reverse temporary settings after syncing to save space. To complete the process, watch the upload indicators in Photos and on iCloud. Calm until they show finished. Once done, unplug and let everything settle. iCloud verifies and deduplicates in the background. If syncing stalls, quit Photos and relaunch, or sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force a rescan. As a key troubleshooting tip, inspect recent large or corrupted files and remove them temporarily. A single bad file often blocks the queue. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.